सच्चाई सर के ऊपर चढ़ करके बोलेगी, कोई कितना भी छुपाना चाहे, सच छिपता नहीं है।
Truth will speak fearlessly. No matter to what extent someone tries to hide it, truth doesn't stay hidden.
ब्रह्मा और ब्रह्मा कुमारियां कितने भी छिपाने की कोशिश करें, करोड़ों रुपया सामने रख दें, वो करोड़ रुपए भी सच्चाई को नहीं छुपा सकेंगे।
No matter to what extent Brahma and Brahma Kumaris try to hide it, even if they offer millions of rupees, it won't be able to hide the truth.
मार्ग में तो ये कहते हैं त्रिमूर्ति ब्रह्मा, ब्रह्मा की 3 मूर्तियां।
They kept saying this in the path of bhakti, Trimurti Brahma, the 3 personalities of Brahma.
इसलिए ब्रह्मा का ही चेहरा दादा लेखराज का दिखा दिया, विष्णु का भी दिखा दिया, शंकर का भी दिखा दिया।
This is why the very face of Dada Lekhraj was shown for Brahma, Vishnu as well as Shankar.
लेकिन बाद में मुरली में बोल भी दिया क्या?
However, it was also said in the Murli later on. What?
बच्चे, ये त्रिमूर्ति का चित्र यथार्थ नहीं है।
Children, this picture of the Trimurti isn't accurate.
क्योंकि इसमें अर्थ जो है वो वैसा नहीं है जैसा होना चाहिए।
It is because its meaning isn't as it should be.
त्रिमूर्ति का चित्र है,
It is the picture of the Trimurti.
3 मूर्तियां हैं,
There are 3 personalities.
तो चित्र है तो अलग अलग चरित्र करने वाले होंगे या एक ही जैसा चित्र है?
If there is the picture, will they be the ones who play different characters or are their pictures alike?
चरित्र की भिन्नता होगी।
There will be difference in their characteristics.
त्रिमूर्ति शिव कहा जाता है ना?
It is said Trimurti Shiv, isn't it?
कितनी मूर्ति?
How many personalities are there?
3 मूर्ति।
There are 3 personalities.
त्रिमूर्ति के अमूर्त।
Is it Trimurti, that is 3 personalities, or Amurt, that is formless?
3 मूर्त कहा जाता है या अमूर्त कहा जाता है?
Is it said 3 personalities or Amurt?
3 मूर्ति।
3 personalities.
इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक ब्रह्मा की मूर्ति हो और 2 अमूर्त हो, अमूर्त माने आकारी हो।
It doesn't mean that one is the personality of Brahma and the other 2 are Amurt. Amurt means subtle.
नहीं, तीनों मूर्ति माने साकार।
No, all the 3 are Murti, meaning personality. Murti means corporeal.
अमूर्त माने आकार।
Amurt means subtle.
तीनों ही मूर्ति होती है।
All the 3 are Murti.
How long can something artificial last? We can't hide the Trimurti. Murli, 19th November 1972, page 3, middle.
मुरली में बोला है उन बच्चों के फोटो भी इन बच्चियों के पास रखे हुए हैं।
It is said in the Murli, these daughters have even the photos of those children.
इन बच्चों के
Of which children?
जो मम्मा बाबा को पढ़ाई पढ़ाते थे, मम्मा बाबा को ड्रिल कराते थे और मम्मा बाबा समझते थे ये तो बहुत ऊंचा पद पावेंगे।
Those who used to teach Mama and Baba, make them perform drill, and Mama and Baba used to think they will certainly receive a very high position.
मम्मा बाबा को भी कंट्रोल करने वाले थे।
They used to control even Mama Baba.
In Sindh, Hyderabad, Dada Lekhraj Kriplani, a Brahmin of the Badhak caste and a famous merchant of diamonds, had only visions at the age of 50 years. Janamrit, February 1986. Finally, the time when he realized the truth also arrived. In the year 1936, when his age was 50 years, he had many visions in which he saw that by the end of this century, the golden age will be established, and before that, there will be the great destruction of this Tamopradhan Iron Age world.
आदि में जब दादा लेखराज जी को साक्षात्कार हुए थे, वे शिव बाबा ने करवाए थे ना शिव बाप ने करवाए थे?
Student, when Dada Lekhraj ji had visions in the beginning, did Shiv Baba or the Father Shiv make him have them?
साक्षात्कार की चाबी किसके हाथ में?
Baba. Who has the key of visions?
शिव बाबा पिता के हाथ में।
पूछने का मतलब क्या हुआ?
Student, the Father Shiv. Baba. So, what is the meaning of asking?
क्लियर करना।
Student, I wanted to clear it.
ये तो साधारण सी बात है।
बाबा अच्छा पांच तत्वों की दुनिया के में आकर करवाए थे ना, परम धाम से ही करवा दिए थे।
Baba, it is a simple concept. Student, Baba, अच्छा, did he make him have the visions after coming in the world of the five elements or from the Supreme Abode itself?
हर बात की शूटिंग कहाँ होती है?
Baba, where does the shooting of everything take place?
रिहर्सल में जो जैसा नूद होता है 5000 वर्ष वैसा ड्रामा स्वतः ही चलता रहता है।
Whatever is recorded in whichever way during the rehearsal, the drama automatically continues like that for 5000 years.
ऊपर से कराने की बात नहीं, आत्मा में ऐसे संस्कार बढ़ जाते हैं जो अपने टाइम की सुई आने पर वो साक्षात्कार हो जाता है, कहा जाता है।
It isn't about making someone have visions from above. Such sanskars are recorded in the soul that he has those visions when that time comes, when the needle reaches that particular time. It is said so.
क्या कहा जाता है?
What is said?
कि साक्षात्कार की चाबी किसके हाथ में है?
In whose hand is the key of visions?
बाप के हाथ में।
It is in the hand of the Father.
किसको साक्षात्कार कराना है, किसको नहीं कराना है, वो जानता है।
He knows who has to be given visions and who doesn't.
और कोई अंतर्यामी नहीं है।
No one else is Antaryami.
However, he himself couldn't understand the meaning of those visions. In his life, Dada Lekhraj had made 12 sages his gurus. The father himself says, I made 12 sages my gurus. Now I understand that while making gurus, I have fallen to the ground. My time was wasted. This is also fixed in the drama. Murli, 17th February 1969, middle of page 1.
कि जो ब्रह्मा के गुरु हुए, 12 गुरु किए थे उन्होंने।
The gurus of Brahma, he had made 12 people his gurus.
तो उस समय जो वर्तमान गुरु था, उस गुरु ने भी उनके साक्षात्कारों का अर्थ नहीं बता पाया।
So, the guru present at that time couldn't tell him the meaning of those visions either.
बनारस में गए, बनारस के बड़े बड़े दिग्गज विद्वान पंडित आचार्यों से पूछा, उन्होंने भी नहीं बताया।
He went to Banaras and asked the great scholars, pandits and teachers of Banaras. Even they couldn't tell him the meaning.
उस समय ये दुनिया अच्छी ही नहीं लगती थी।
He didn't like this world at all then.
फिर वहां सारी दीवालों पर लीका पहनता था।
Then he used to draw lines on all the walls there.
बाबा ये कराता था।
Baba used to make him do this.
कौन बाबा?
Which Baba? Shiv Baba. Someone said something.
ब्रह्मा बाबा से ये दीवालों पर बनारस में लाइनें कौन खिंचवाता था?
Who used to make Brahma Baba draw these lines on the walls in Banaras?
शिव बाबा।
Shiv Baba.
परंतु हम तो उस समय बेबी थे।
But I was a baby then.
कौन?
Who?
ब्रह्मा बाबा।
Brahma Baba.
तो पूरा समझ में नहीं आता था कि ये क्या लाइनें खिंचवाई हैं।
So, I didn't really understand what these lines drawn by me are.
बस कोई है जो हमसे ये कराता है।
It is just that there is someone who makes me do this.
सारा दिन बनारस में बैठा रहता था, पेंसिल और दीवाल, और कोई धंधा नहीं, बेर भी था।
I sat with a pencil and walls in Banaras the whole day. There was no other business. I was a baby, wasn't I?
It is said in the middle of page 2 of the Murli dated 27th July 1988. Baba is certainly experienced. He also says, I come in an elderly body. Krishna certainly doesn't have an elderly body. Murli 12th January 1969, end of page 3 and beginning of page 4. There can't be any difference in the chariot during the incarnation of Shiv Baba at all. It isn't known at all when he comes. It isn't even that he came, entered when he had visions. No, you can only guess. As for the rest, it won't be said that he entered him at that time. He did have visions, I will become this and this, the world will be set on fire. The minute or second of his incarnation can't be calculated. His incarnation is also alaukic, that is subtle.
ऐसे भी नहीं है कि ब्रह्मा बाबा को साक्षात्कार हुआ तब शिव बाबा आया।
It isn't even that Shiv Baba came when Brahma Baba had visions.
नहीं।
No.
ब्रह्मा कुमारियाँ क्या कहती हैं?
What do the Brahma Kumaris say?
क्या समझती है?
What do they think?
हैं? अरे उन्होंने अपनी किताब में क्या लिखा हुआ है, जीवन कहानी किताब में?
अरे, what have they written in their book in Brahma Baba's biography?
शिव बाबा कब आया?
When did Shiv Baba come?
सिंध हैदराबाद में जब ब्रह्मा बाबा को साक्षात्कार हुआ,
When Brahma Baba had visions in Sindh, Hyderabad,
तो उन्होंने एक गीत दे दिया है संस्कृत में।
they have mentioned a song in Sanskrit.
निजानंदा स्वरूपम शिवोहम शिवोहम।
I am Shiv, the blissful one.
तो क्या साबित किया?
So, what did they prove?
कि जब ब्रह्मा बाबा को साक्षात्कार हुए तब शिव बाबा आया।
Shiv Baba came when Brahma Baba had visions.
तो बाबा कहते हैं ऐसे भी नहीं है कि साक्षात्कार हुआ तब आया।
So, Baba says, it isn't even that he came when he had visions.
ये तो रंग बात है।
This is certainly wrong.
ऐसे ही अंदाज कर देते हैं, और अंदाज तो गलत हो सकता है।
They just make a guess, and the guess can certainly be wrong.
तो बाकी ऐसे नहीं कहेंगे कि उस समय प्रवेश किया।
As for the rest, it won't be said that he entered him then.
साक्षात्कार तो हुआ कि हम फलाना बनेंगे, इससे पुरानी दुनिया को आग लगेगी।
He did have visions that he will become this and this. This old world will be set on fire.
ये भी साक्षात्कार हुआ।
He had this vision as well.
परंतु शिव बाबा कब आया,
However, when did Shiv Baba come?
उसके मिनट सेकंड और घंटे का हिसाब नहीं बता सकते।
The minute, second, and hour of his incarnation can't be calculated.
क्योंकि उनका तो अवतरण भी अलौकिक है।
It is because his incarnation is also alaukic.
इस लोक में जो जन्म होता है वैसा जन्म उनका नहीं है।
His birth isn't like the birth someone has in this world.
In order to know the meaning of those visions, he went to Kolkata while passing through Banaras to his partner whose Lokik name was Sivakram.
दस वर्ष से पहले जो है वो अलग उनकी दुकान थी, छोटी दुकान, साथ में नहीं रहते थे।
10 years ago, he, meaning the partner, had a different shop. It was a small shop. They didn't used to stay together.
उनकी छोटी सी दुकान थी। किसकी?
He had a small shop. Who?
सेवकराम। वो ज्यादा पैसे वाले नहीं थे।
Sevakram. He wasn't very rich.
थोड़े से,
He had a few.
जैसे कोई छोटा दुकानदार होता है तो लड्डू पोड़ा थोड़े रखेगा या बड़ी दुकान में ढेर सारा माल रखेगा।
For example, if there is a keeper of a small shop, will he keep a few sweets or will he keep many items like in a big shop?
है?
Students, he will keep a few sweets.
तो उनकी छोटी सी दुकान थी, थोड़े से हीरे में जवाहरात रखते थे लेकिन सच्चे रखते थे।
So, he had a small shop. He used to keep few diamonds and jewels, but he kept genuine diamonds.
झूठे झूठे नहीं रखते थे।
He didn't keep fake ones.
और वो सारा कलकत्ते का बाजार वैश्याओं का, लंपटों का।
Well, that entire market in Kolkata was of prostitutes and licentious men.
हाँ, ब्रह्मा बाबा की बड़ी दुकान।
In addition, Brahma Baba had a big shop.
तो जहाँ सारी दुकानें हैं, बड़ी बड़ी दुकानें हैं, वो बड़ी बड़ी दुकानों वाले झूठे हीरे भी रखेंगे, जवाहरात रखेंगे या नहीं रखेंगे?
So, the place where there are very big shops, will the keepers of those big shops also keep false diamonds and jewels or not?
हैं? रखेंगे।
They will.
और वो नहीं रखता था अपनी दुकान में झूठे।
But he didn't keep false diamonds in his shop.
उसे झूठा धंधा करना ही नहीं है।
He didn't want to run a false business at all.
तो फिर उसकी दुकान ज्यादा चलेगी या कम चलेगी?
So, will his shop be more popular or less popular? Students, it will be less popular.
क्यों?
Why?
अरे जब सच्चे हीरे बेच रहा है तो कम क्यों चलेगी?
Student, he was selling true diamonds. When he was selling true diamonds, why would his shop be less popular?
हैं? मैंने वो हीरे नहीं बेचता था।
Students comment. It means he didn't used to sell diamonds.
नीलम और माणिक के मोती ज्यादा बेचता था, हीरे नहीं रखता था अपनी दुकान में।
Did he used to sell sapphires, rubies and pearls more and not keep diamonds in his shop?
तो हीरे की तो ज्यादा कीमत होगी।
Student, he used to keep them. Then the diamonds must be costlier. Students comment.
अरे दुनिया में झूठे ज्यादा हैं, झूठों का मार्केट है, झूठों की दुकानें हैं, तो वो छोटी दुकान को भी लोग क्या समझेंगे?
Arey, when there are more number of false people in the world, when there are the markets and shops of false people, what will people think of that small shop too?
हैं? हे झूठा आदमी है।
Students, they will consider him as false. Hey, he is a false man.
कोई अच्छी दुकान पे चलो, ब्रांडेड दुकान पे।
Let's go to some nice branded shop.
तो आज भी जो ब्रांडेड कंपनियां हैं वो अपने माल का दुगुना तिगुना पैसा कमाती हैं कि नहीं?
Even today, do the branded companies earn 2 times, 4 times money for their products or not?
हैं?
Students, they do.
और जो नॉन ब्रांडेड होते हैं छोटे छोटे कारखाने वाले, वो भी अपने कारखाने में वो माल बनाते हैं। तो सब एक जैसे होंगे क्या?
And the non-branded companies with small factories also manufacture those products in their factories. So, will all be alike?
कोई तो बढ़िया माल भी बनाते हैं लेकिन ब्रांडेड नहीं है, इसलिए उनका इतना ज्यादा चलता नहीं है।
Some also manufacture quality products, but as they aren't branded, their products aren't that popular.
कोई जरूरी है जो नॉन ब्रांडेड माल है वो अच्छा न निकलता हो?
Is it necessary that the non-branded products aren't good?
ज्यादा साल न चलता हो? जरूरी है?
Is it necessary that those products aren't durable?
नहीं,
No.
तो ऐसे ही है।
So it was the same here.
उनकी दुकान चलती नहीं थी।
His shop wasn't so popular.
सादा लेकर के सादा कपड़ों में बैठते थे अपने, छोटी सी दुकान।
He used to sit wearing simple clothes. He had a small shop.
दादा लेखराज प्रसिद्ध थे उस समय जौहरी।
Whereas Dada Lekhraj was a popular jeweler at that time.
इतने प्रसिद्ध थे कि आज शहर शहर में नाम लिखा हुआ है, लखीराज दादा की जौहरी की दुकान, ऐसे ऐसे लिखा हुआ है।
He was so popular that today this name is written on the shops in every city. Lakhiraj Dada's jewelry store. It is written like this.
दादा लखीराज की जवाहरी की दुकान, ऐसे लिख दिया है।
Dada Lakhiraj's jewelry store. They have written like this.
हैं?
अभी के समय में भी ऐसे नाम है।
हाँ, अभी भी दुकानों पे लिखा हुआ है दादा लखीराज की दुकान।
Student, have they named it this way even at present? Yes, it is written on the shops even now. Dada Lakhiraj shop.
पुरानी दुकान, ऐसे पुरानी शब्द भी लिख देते हैं।
The old shop. They write the word old too.
तो भव्य व्यापारी थे,
He was a grand merchant.
विदेशों से भी माल मंगाते थे।
He used to import products even from foreign countries.
और अमेरिकन हीरे तो बहुत प्रसिद्ध हैं,
And American diamonds are very famous.
धड़ाधड़ बेचते थे, फटाफट पैसा कमाते थे।
He used to sell them promptly and earn money quickly.
राजाओं के घर में भी घुस जाते थे, रानियों के यहाँ। रानियों को तो खूब बेवकूफ बनाना।
He even used to enter the palaces of kings, the queen's quarters, and you can easily fool the queens.
लंबे चौड़े गोरे चिट्ठे थे, तो रानियों के निवास में आओ भगत होगी या नहीं होगी?
He was anyway tall, well-built, fair and charming. So, will he be welcomed in the queen's quarters or not?
हैं? तो होगी।
Students, he will be. He will be welcomed.
भागीदार तो पूर्व जन्म में भी गरीब ही था।
And Brahma Baba's partner was poor in the past birth too.
करोड़पति नहीं था।
He was not a millionaire.
क्या?
What?
भले हीरो का व्यापारी था।
Although he was a diamond merchant.
दादा लेखराज से भी ज्यादा होशियार था,
He was cleverer than Dada Lekhraj.
लेकिन सच्चा व्यापारी था।
Yet, he was a true businessman.
झूठे हीरो के बाजार में एक छोटी सी दुकान रखने वाला सच्चा व्यापारी था।
He was a true businessman with a small shop in a market of duplicate diamonds.
तो लोग उसको क्या समझेंगे?
Then, what will people consider him to be as well?
हाँ? ये झूठा हीरा बेचने वाला होगा या सच्चा हीरा बेचने वाला होगा?
Will this one be selling false diamonds or true diamonds?
झूठा ही समझेंगे।
They will consider him to be just false.
अब ब्रह्मा बाबा द्वारे शौक शान से दुकान खोल करके रहते थे।
And Brahma Baba maintained his shop with grandeur.
यूं टाइम बेत लेकर के यूं राजाओं महाराजाओं के महलों में घुसे चले जाते थे।
He twirled his mustache, held a cane, and entered the palaces of kings and emperors without hesitation.
इसलिए कृष्ण और क्राइस्ट की राशि मिलाई है ज्ञान में।
This is why the horoscope of Krishna and Christ is matched in the knowledge.
क्यों?
Why?
जो पांच मिनट
जो क्राइस्ट के स्वभाव संस्कार है क्रिश्चियंस के पंप एंड शो के दिखावा करने के, वो संस्कार कृष्ण की आत्मा में भी है।
The nature and sanskars of pomp and show that are in Christ, in the Christians, those sanskars are present in the soul of Krishna as well.
कृष्ण की आत्मा से क्रिश्चियंस ने उठाए हैं।
The Christians have picked these sanskars from the soul of Krishna.
जो असली नहीं होता वो दिखावा करता है।
The one who is not true shows off.
जो असली होता है उसको दिखावा करने की दरकार ही नहीं, जानता है आज नहीं तो कल सच्चाई सर के ऊपर चढ़ के बोलेगी।
The one who is true need not show off at all. He knows that if not today, tomorrow, truth will speak fearlessly.
कि दादा लेखराज चारों तरफ दुनिया में घूमते रहे, आखिर कलकत्ते में जाकर के उन्होंने क्यों नाक रगड़ी?
Dada Lekhraj kept wandering in all the four directions of the world. Ultimately, why did he go to Calcutta and rub his nose?
और वहां से संतुष्ट होकर के कैसे चले गए?
In addition, how did he become satisfied there?
कहीं से भी समाधान नहीं मिला तो अपने जीवन में जिस व्यक्ति को उन्होंने सच्चा समझा और अपने जीवन की सारी मिल्कियत उस व्यक्ति को सौंप दी कि तुम हमारी दुकान चलाओ।
When he didn't find a solution anywhere, he went to the person whom he considered to be true in his life and whom he entrusted with all the property of his life, saying, "Run my shop.
ये सारी मिल्कियत अपने हाथ में लो।
Take care of all this property."
तुम्हारे तन की ताकत और मन की ताकत और हमारे धन की ताकत,
The power of your body and mind and the power of my wealth.
जो मिले उसमें बराबर का हिस्सा हो जाएगा।
Whatever is the income, it will be equally divided.
भागीदार को सब कुछ सौंप करके चले गए।
He entrusted everything to his partner and went.
कोई ऐसे कोई सौंप देता है क्या?
Does anyone entrust everything to someone like this? Student, no.
दुनिया में उनको गुरुओं के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं रहा।
He had no faith on the gurus in the world.
लेकिन जो 10 वर्ष से साथ में रहने वाला था उस भागीदार के ऊपर विश्वास हुआ।
However, he had faith on that partner who was with him for 10 years.
An especially trustworthy person, Sevakram, was also present there. Baba started the business of diamonds etc. with the name Lakhiraj Sevakram and Sons in partnership with him. He, along with his family, used to live with Dada Lekhraj in the same building. Book 3-in-1.
जब सन 26 से उनको अपनी दुकान में रख लिया कि इनको दुकान में रख करके सच्चा आदमी है।
He, meaning Brahma Baba, employed him, that is Sevakram, at his shop since 1926, thinking, I will employ him at my shop and he's an honest person.
सच्चा काम करेगा,
He will work honestly.
हीरो का व्यापारी अच्छा है,
He is a good diamond merchant.
अच्छी जानकारी है तो अच्छा काम करेगा.
He has a wide range of information. So, his work will be good.
इसलिए मैनेजर बना दिया.
This is why he made him the manager.
क्या?
What?
हाँ, जब अच्छा 10 साल काम देखा सच्चाई का, तो बाबा ने सारी दुकान उनको सौंप दी.
Students, he made him the manager. Yes, when he saw his honest work for 10 years, Brahma Baba entrusted his entire shop to him.
कहा आधा तुम कमाओ और आधा हमें दे देना.
He said, take half of the earning and give the other half to me.
हीरे जवाहरात, दुकान, पैसा, धन संपत्ति सारा तुम्हारा दुकान का.
Everything like diamonds, jewels, the shop, money, wealth and property of the shop belongs to you.
हैं? उसमें से आधा हमें क्यों दे देना?
Why should you give half of it to me?
है? क्योंकि आधा
It is because half,
तुम जो मेहनत करो, मेहनत करके जो तुम दुकान चलाओ, उसमें तुम्हारी मेहनत का आधा ले लेना.
work hard and take half of it for the hard work you do to run the shop.
दुनिया में भी ऐसे ही होता है.
The same happens in the world as well.
किसी को खेत बटाई पे दो तो मेहनत करेगा.
If you share your field with someone, he will do the hard work.
मेहनत करके आधा हिस्सा अपना ले लेगा मेहनत का.
He will take half of it for his labor
आधा जमीन वाले मालिक को दे देगा.
and give the other half to the landlord.
तो 10 साल से उनकी दुकान में मैनेजर थे, भागीदार.
So, the partner was the manager of his shop for 10 years.
It was said at the end of the first page of the Murli dated 10th November 1988, when a clever salesman is found, he is made a partner. Partnership isn't obtained easily. As soon as it was evening, he went out for a stroll. The partner was there. Baba used to think, that his partner won't work much for wages. He will work better in partnership. So, Baba made himself free. His very sanskars were like this. Murli dated 3rd January 1967-74, middle of page 2.
ज्ञान की शुरुआत तो तब से होती है जब शिव पहले व्यक्ति में प्रवेश करता है.
The yajna of knowledge begins when Shiv enters the first person.
ज्ञान यज्ञ की शुरुआत कब कहेंगे?
When will you call it the beginning of the yajna of knowledge?
जब दादा लेखराज को साक्षात्कार हुए तब कहेंगे, या जब दादा लेखराज के साक्षात्कारों का क्लेरिफिकेशन बाद में सामने आया तब कहेंगे?
Will you call it the beginning of the yajna when Dada Lekhraj had visions or when the clarification of his visions were disclosed later?
ज्ञान यज्ञ की शुरुआत कब कहेंगे?
When will you call it the beginning of the yajna of knowledge?
जब क्लैरिफिकेशन बने नहीं, उन साक्षात्कारों का अर्थ जब सामने आया, साक्षात्कारों का जब असली रहस्य सामने आया ब्रह्मा के सामने, तो कहेंगे कि हाँ वो ज्ञान यज्ञ की शुरुआत हुई.
It is when the meaning of those visions was disclosed, when the actual secret of the visions was disclosed to Brahma, it is then that it will be said that it was the beginning of the yajna of knowledge.
जैसे तुलसीदास को साक्षात्कार हुए, ऐसे ब्रह्मा बाबू को भी साक्षात्कार हो गए.
Just like Tulsidas had visions, similarly, Brahma Baba also had visions.
उसे ज्ञान यज्ञ थोड़े ही कहेंगे.
It certainly won't be said to be the beginning of the yajna of the knowledge at that time.
The physical body was found right here. It wasn't said from Sindh, Hyderabad.
बाबा ने कुछ नहीं बोला है, इस वर्ग को गंगा भी भेजा है, पूरे बंगाल में।
हाँ
कलकत्ता तो पश्चिम बंगाल है, तो सेवाग्राम का असली जन्म कहाँ से हुआ?
Student. Baba has said in the Murli, this body was found in East Bengal, but Calcutta is actually in West Bengal. So, where was Sevakram born in reality?
उस समय जिस समय बाबा ने बोला वो बात जो है जिस समय की बोली गई वो बंटवारा हुआ था हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान।
Baba. The time when Baba said that, the time it is applicable to, had the partition between Hindustan and Pakistan taken place by that time?
नहीं हुआ।
It hadn't.
तो बंगाल तो उधर त्रिपुरा तक भी फैला हुआ।
Bengal was extended till there, till Tripura.
बांग्लादेश में भी फैला हुआ।
It was also extended till Bangladesh.
तो पूरे बंगाल के हिसाब से उस समय पूर्वी बंगाल था या पश्चिम बंगाल था?
So, according to the whole Bengal, was it East Bengal or West Bengal? It was East Bengal.
इसलिए बात
This is why Baba mentioned East Bengal.
It has been said in the end of page 3 of the Avyaktvani dated 2nd February 2008. The father arrived, entered his corporeal medium in Bengal. The children also understand Shiv Baba was born in Kolkata. This is what will be said. It started right there. On sitting in front of anyone, they used to go into trance. This started in Kolkata. So, Shiv reincarnated in Kolkata in this way. Night class Murli 2nd April 1972, middle of page 1. It is clear through these great sentences, the light of Sadashiv reincarnates at the very place, that is Kolkata, where he incarnated a cycle ago. Kolkata, East Bengal itself, was the birthplace of the permanent chariot and he was a resident of that very place.
एक ऐसा जाति का पेड़ होता है जिसका बीज बहुत छोटा होता है लेकिन वृक्ष बहुत बड़ा होता है.
There is a tree of such variety whose seed is very small and tree is very big.
जैसे इस मनुष्य सृष्टि का बीज बहुत छोटा.
Just like the seed of this human world is very small.
कोई पहचान भी नहीं पाता, किसी को देखने में भी नहीं आता, इतना छोटा.
No one is able to recognize him. No one can even see him. He is so small.
बड़ा है या छोटा
Is he big or small?
है? छोटा है.
He is small.
और ये मनुष्य सृष्टि रूपी झाड़ इतना बड़ा हो जाता है उससे.
And such a big tree of this human world expands from him.
ये वैरायटी झाड़ है.
This is a tree of variety.
इसकी अनेक जड़ें हो जाती हैं.
It has numerous roots.
और लास्ट में और धर्मों की जड़ें रह जाती हैं, तने रह जाते हैं, देखने में आते हैं.
And the roots and shoots of other religions remain intact in the end. They are visible.
और देवी देवता सनातन धर्म की जो मुख्य जड़ और तना है वो लोप हो जाता है.
But the main root and trunk of the ancient deity religion disappear.
ऐसा वहां बनियन ट्री में दिखाया गया.
It has been shown in the banyan tree there.
तो ये मनुष्य सृष्टि रूपी झाड़ की यादगार है.
So, it is the yadgar of the human world in the form of the tree.
और वो यादगार कलकत्ते में ही क्यों है?
And why is that yadgar only in Calcutta?
लंदन में क्यों नहीं?
Why not in London?
क्योंकि कलकत्ते में ही वो बीजारोपण होता है.
It is because that seed is sown in Calcutta itself.
ज्ञान का बीजारोपण होता है।
The seed of knowledge is sown there.
सिंध हैदराबाद में नहीं होता है, कराची में नहीं होता है,
It isn't sown in Sindh, Hyderabad or Karachi.
कराची से बम्बई में आकर के भी नहीं होता, माउंट आबू में भी नहीं होता है।
It is neither sown when the gathering comes from Karachi to Bombay nor in Mount Abu.
वो नई सृष्टि का बीजारोपण कहाँ होता है?
Where is the seed of the new world sown?
कलकत्ते में आकर होता है।
It is sown after he, that is Brahma Baba, comes to Calcutta.
इसलिए अव्यक्तवाणी में बोला,
This is why it was asked in the Avyaktavani,
बाप को कहाँ से ढूंढा?
where was the father found?
पूर्वी बंगाल से।
East Bengal.
पूर्वी बंगाल की राजधानी कलकत्ता।
The capital of East Bengal is Calcutta.
However, Dada Lekhraj Kriplani was born in the Sindh province. Later on, he started living in Kolkata for some time to carry out his business, but he wasn't an original resident. In addition, when he had visions, he was in Sindh. Having visions won't be called the entrance of God. This is why Dada Lekhraj can't be called the permanent chariot of the Father Shiv. At the very time of the first incarnation of the light of Sadashiv, those three personalities who are called Trimurti were present in Kolkata. The Trimurti Supreme Father Supreme Soul Shiv alone is the giver of knowledge and the giver of Sadgati, that is true liberation to everyone. As for the rest, Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar, all the three are born together. It isn't just Shiv Jayanti, but it is Trimurti Shiv Jayanti. Murli 27 September 1975, beginning of page 3. It is like all these three personalities are born right when the Father Shiv incarnates, and in order to clarify the meaning of the visions, these three personalities become the number-wise instruments.
ब्रह्मा मुख से जो चलाई हुई बाबा की वाणी है, उस वेद वाणी में सिर्फ इतना जिक्र आया है कि कलकत्ता दुनिया का सबसे बड़े से बड़ा वैश्यालय शहर बन जाता है।
Baba's Vani, which was narrated through the mouth of Brahma in those verses of the Vedas, only this much has been mentioned, that Calcutta becomes the biggest brothel city of the world.
जहां एक पत्नी तो रखने के आदि हैं ही, परंतु दूसरी तीसरी पत्नियां भी रख लेते हैं और उनको घर मकान बना करके अलग से देते हैं।
Where men are no doubt habituated to having one wife, but many also have 2 or 3 wives simultaneously and have a separate house built for each one of them.
बाकी भागीदार के बारे में स्पष्ट ऐसे कुछ नहीं बताया कि उनको 2 पत्नियां थी।
As for the rest, nothing has clearly been said about the partner, mentioning that he did have 2 wives.
परंतु वाणी से ये बात क्लियर हो जाती है,
But it becomes clear through the Vani
कि यज्ञ के आदि में 2 माताएं थी।
there were 2 mothers in the beginning of the yajna.
ब्रह्मा बाबा की बच्ची को किसने पाला?
Who brought up Brahma Baba's daughter?
उनकी दीदी ने पाला ना।
His elder sister, that is the junior mother, didn't she?
तो जिस दीदी ने पाला, वो दीदी ब्रह्मा बाबा की बहन थी, बड़ी बहन, आखिरी जीवन में।
So, the one who brought her up was Brahma Baba's sister, elder sister in his last birth.
ब्रह्मा बाबा का ज्यादा प्यार किससे था?
For whom did Brahma Baba have more love?
अपनी दीदी से ज्यादा प्यार था या दूसरी माता से ज्यादा प्यार था?
Did he have more love for his elder sister or did he have more love for the second mother? Student, it must be for his elder sister.
तो उन्होंने साक्षात्कार की बात किसको बताई होगी?
So, to whom would he have told his visions?
उनका दिल ज्यादा खुला हुआ किससे था?
With whom was he more open-hearted?
अपनी दीदी से ज्यादा खुला हुआ था।
He was more open-hearted with his elder sister.
बहनोई से इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी बात करने की।
He didn't have the courage to talk to his brother-in-law.
तो बहनोई को नहीं बताया।
So, he didn't tell his brother-in-law about his visions.
क्योंकि बहनोई उनसे उम्र में भी ज्यादा था।
It is because his brother-in-law was also older than him.
बहन को बताया।
He told his sister.
इसी से साबित हो जाता है।
This itself proves it.
उसमें सेवाग्राम नहीं थे वहाँ। जब गीता माता को अपने बताए उसमें सेवाग्राम कहाँ थे, यही कंफ्यूज हो रहा है सबको।
Student, wasn't Sevakram present there at that time, Baba? When she, meaning junior mother, told Mother Geeta, that is the senior mother, where was Sevakram at that time? Everyone is becoming confused with this.
कहाँ थे?
Baba, where was he?
अपनी दुकान पे बैठे थे और कहाँ
तो
थे?
वो दुकान में थे, वो घरों पे थी ना।
हाँ,
दोनों माता घरों पे
अलग
थी
से
ना।
माताओं को बताया।
He was in his shop. Where else was he? Student, so he was at his shop and they, that is the mothers, were in their house, weren't they? Both the mothers were in the house, weren't they? Baba, yes, he told the mothers separately.
तो सेवाग्राम किस समय आए, यही पूछा रहा हूँ।
Student, so when did Sevakram come? This is what is being asked.
अलग से माताओं ने पूछा।
Baba, the mothers asked him, that is Sevakram, separately.
तो वहाँ बाबा नहीं थे, ब्रह्मा बाबा नहीं थे वहाँ।
Student, so wasn't Baba present there at that time? Wasn't Brahma Baba present there?
बच्चा बाद में पैदा होता है कि अम्मा के साथ ही पैदा हो जाता है?
Baba, does the child have birth later or does he have birth along with the mother itself?
तो आदि माता ने वो सेवाग्राम को जो अपने वो सुनाया।
आदि माता अकेली नहीं थी, दूसरी माता भी थी।
हाँ, थी।
तीनों मूर्तियाँ होनी चाहिए।
Student, no. When Adi Mata, meaning the first mother, that is, the senior mother, narrated to Sevakram, Baba, the first mother wasn't alone. The second mother, meaning the junior mother, was also there. There should be all the three personalities.
छोटी माँ ने बड़ी माँ को बताया। छोटी माँ बोल बोल करने वाली नहीं और बड़ी माँ बोल बोल करने वाली थी, बड़ बोली थी, इसलिए उसने प्रजापिता को बताया।
The junior mother told the senior mother. She wasn't someone who spoke a lot, and the senior mother spoke a lot. She was talkative. This is why she told Prajapita.
To explain the meaning of those visions, the Supreme Father Shiv entered Prajapita first of all and sowed the seed of knowledge.
बाप आकर के एक के साथ संबंध जोड़ते हैं।
The father comes and forms relationship with one.
वो सारी मनुष्य सृष्टि का पिता है।
He is the father of the entire human world.
जिस मुकर्रर रथ में आकर के, मुकर्रर शरीर में आकर के सुप्रीम सोल बाप शिव प्रवेश करके उसको माँ बनाते हैं।
The supreme soul, the father Shiv comes, enters the permanent chariot, the permanent body, and makes him the mother.
ज्ञान का बीजारोपण करते हैं।
He sows the seed of knowledge in him.
जो मनुष्य गुरुओं ने भी गीता में लिखा है, अहम बीज प्रदः पिता।
For which the human gurus have also written in the Gita, Aham Bij Pradha Pita.
मैं ज्ञान का बीज बोने वाला पिता हूँ।
Meaning, I am the father who sows the seed of knowledge.
तो वो सुप्रीम सोल बाप किसमें प्रवेश करके ज्ञान का बीज बोता है?
So, in whom does that supreme soul father enter and sow the seed of knowledge?
प्रजापिता में, आदम में, एडम में। हिंदुओं में जिसे आदिदेव शंकर कहा जाता है, जैनियों में जिसे आदिनाथ कहा जाता है।
In Prajapita, Adam, the one who is called Adidev Shankar among the Hindus, the one who is called Adinath among the Jains.
जिसकी विग्रह मूर्तियां, नग्न मूर्तियां सारे संसार में मिली हैं।
The one whose naked idols have been found in the entire world.
उससे ज्यादा मूर्तियां किसी देवता की नहीं मिली।
The idols of no other deity have been found more than his.
उस एक के साथ ही सारे संबंध जोड़ता है पहले, वो सुप्रीम सोल।
That supreme soul forms all the relationships with that one first.
शिव बाप जो है वो माँ और बाप दोनों में एक साथ प्रवेश करेगा या आगे पीछे करेगा?
So, will the Father Shiv enter both the mother and the father simultaneously, or will he enter them one after the other?
एक साथ प्रवेश करेगा।
He will enter them simultaneously.
ऐसे थोड़े ही कि छोटी माँ ने जब बड़ी माँ को सुनाया तब प्रवेश करेगा।
It isn't that he will enter them when the junior mother told the senior mother.
अरे माँ बाप,
अरे, the mother and the father,
जो माँ बाप का पार्ट होता है बीज डालने का, वो एक साथ होता है या आगे पीछे होता है? एक साथ होता है।
is the part of the mother and father of sowing the seed played together, or is it played one after the other? It is played together.
जब शिव प्रवेश करते हैं तो तीन मूर्तियों के साथ आते हैं या एक या दो मूर्तियों के साथ आते हैं?
Baba, when Shiv enters, does he come with 3 personalities, or does he come with 1 or 2 personalities?
तो तीनों ही मूर्तियां उस समय थी।
So, all the 3 personalities were present at that time.
ब्रह्मा भी था, विष्णु भी था, शंकर भी था।
Brahma, Vishnu, as well as Shankar were present.
तीनों मूर्तियां थी।
All the 3 personalities were present at that time.
The date of the incarnation of the Father is the date of birth of the Adi Ratan, 3 personalities. Avyaktvani, 19th November 1979, end of page 26.
बड़ी माता सुनने सुनाने का पार्ट।
Student, the senior mother narrates. Baba, the senior mother has the part of listening and narrating the knowledge.
तो उसने सुना,
So, she listened to it.
सुना और बल 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 बोल दिया।
She listened to it and blabbered it.
छोटी माता ने बलबलाया नहीं।
Student, the junior mother didn't blabber it.
सुना और उस पर विचार किया
She listened to it and reflected on it.
और विचार करने के बाद में ब्रह्मा बाबा को बताया।
And after reflecting on it, she told Brahma Baba about it later.
जब शिव प्रवेश करते हैं निराकार, तो निराकार शिव का जो निराकारी सत्य है, निराकारी ज्ञान, उसको धारण किया।
When the incorporeal Shiv enters, she, meaning the junior mother, assimilated his incorporeal sattva, meaning essence, that is, the incorporeal knowledge.
प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में धारण किया।
She assimilated it in her life in practice.
और जो निराकारी ज्ञान प्रैक्टिकल में धारण किया, और जितना धारण किया उतना दादा लेखराज को, ओम राजे को बता दिया।
And the incorporeal knowledge which she assimilated and the extent to which she assimilated it, she told it to Dada Lekhraj and Om Radhe.
तो वो माता हो गई।
So, she became the mother.
यहाँ बीज डाली और वहाँ प्रैक्टिकल में जन्म देने वाली जन्मदात्री माता बनती है।
She sowed the seed here and she becomes the mother who gives birth to them there in practice.
तो जो यज्ञ के आदि में विष्णु रूप था, जिसमें प्रवेश करके भगवान बाप ने सृष्टि के जो पहले पत्ते हैं राधा कृष्ण, उन राधा कृष्ण वाली आत्माओं जिनका नाम संगम युग में ब्रह्मा सरस्वती पड़ता है, ओम राधे, उन आत्माओं को ज्ञान का जन्म दिया।
So, the one who was the form of Vishnu in the beginning of the Yajna, in whom God the Father entered, and the first leaves of the world, that is, Radha and Krishna, the souls of Radha Krishna who are named Brahma Saraswati Om Radhe in the confluence age, she gave birth of knowledge to them.
कि तुम ब्रह्मा के रूप में कार्य करने वाली आत्मा हो और तुम सरस्वती के रूप में कार्य करने वाली आत्मा हो।
By saying, you, meaning Dada Lekhraj, are the soul who performs the task in the form of Brahma, and you, meaning Om Radhe, are the soul who performs the task in the form of Saraswati.
और उन दोनों की बुद्धि में पक्का बैठ गया।
It sat in their intellect firmly.
तो देखो शूटिंग हो गई।
So look, the shooting took place.
सृष्टि के आदि के जो पत्ते हैं पहले पहले उनको जन्म देने की शूटिंग हुई ना।
The shooting of giving birth to the first leaves of the world did take place, didn't it?
किसने की?
Who performed it?
उनसे श्रेष्ठ होगा वो करेगा या भ्रष्ट होगा वो करेगा?
Will the one who is elevated than them perform it, or will the one who is corrupt perform it?
तो वो श्रेष्ठ लक्ष्मी नारायण वाली आत्माएं हैं जो अंतिम जन्म में भी।
Student, the one who is elevated. So, the elevated souls of Lakshmi Narayan, who in the last birth too,
भगवान बाप की पूरी श्रीमत धारण करने के कारण अंतिम जन्म में भी भगवान भगवती के रूप में पार्ट बजाने वाली है।
because of following the complete Srimad of God the Father, they play the part in the form of God Goddess in the last birth as well.
और वही आत्माएं अंत में जाकर के भगवान भगवती के रूप में प्रत्यक्ष होती।
And these very souls are revealed as God Goddess in the end.
I give my introduction to you children through Prajapita Brahma. Brahma as well as Saraswati received it. Murli 27 June 1972, beginning of page 1.
कि आज में अर्षदेवों की ये विशेषता रही कि उन्होंने सबसे पहले प्रजापिता से कनेक्शन किया।
The speciality of the 8 deities in the beginning of the Yajna was they established a connection with Prajapita first of all.
और ज्ञान भी लिया।
And they also took the knowledge.
बाद में ब्रह्मा बाबा ने लिया।
Brahma Baba took it later.
सूर्य अपने सूर्यवंशी बच्चों को सुनाएगा या दूसरों को सुनाएगा?
Will the sun narrate the knowledge to his Suryavanshi children, or will he narrate it to others?
जो सूर्यवंशी परिवार है उसमें है 8।
In the Suryavanshi family, there are the 8 souls.
वो अष्टदेव पहले सुनते हैं और सुनने के साथ समझने वाले भी हैं।
The Ashtadevs, meaning 8 deities, listen to it first. They are also those who understand it along with listening to it.
सूर्यवंशी होंगे पहले अपने सूर्यवंशी घराने को सुनावेंगे।
The Suryavanshi will first narrate it to those belonging to his Suryavanshi family.
और ब्रह्मा बाबा को सुनाने वाले कौन थे?
And who narrated it to Brahma Baba?
और अष्टदेवों को सुनाने वाला कौन था?
And who narrated to the Ashtadevs?
हैं? बाप है अष्टदेवों को सुनाने वाला और ब्रह्मा बाबा को सुनाने वाला माता है।
The father narrates it to the Ashtadevs and the mother narrates it to Brahma Baba.
तो अंतर पड़ता है ना।
So, it makes a difference, doesn't it?